Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Of course, I am back to teach you another line dance. If you're watching this channel for the very first time, this channel gives you step-by-step instruction. If you like the content, please consider subscribing. I want to give everyone a shout out that always leave me a comment. Thank you so very kindly. I appreciate your support. If you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. Now, this is the step-by-step instruction. If you want to dance to the music, watch till the end and I'll post the video and we can dance together, okay? So the name of this dance is called Enjoy. Instructors, this is the perfect dance for those who are just coming to your class. I think this is a nice cool down to do. You don't have to necessarily teach it. You can just cue it. The steps is very simple and they can catch it on the floor. So, and to my lunch shenanigans, this is a great dance for you guys. So, this dance moves counterclockwise. It moves to the left. It's a four-wall dance. Again, it's called Enjoy. So the weight is going to be on the left, and we're going to start just walking back on the right 4 times. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, which is right, left, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and right, left. So when you walk back, then I want you to walk to the right and walk to the left. So the last step was on the left. You walk right, tap left, walk left, tap right. Okay? So let's do that. Put it together. Walking back first. 5, 6, 7. Walking back. Right, left. Walk right, tap left, tap right. So tapping on the right, I want you to do a V step twice. So it goes right, left. My last step was on the left. Again, right, left. And your last step is on the left. So let's put that together, walking back on the right, and walking to the right, walking to the left, and adding the V step. 5, 6, 7, walking back. 1, 2, 3, 4, right, 5, 6, 7, tap 8, left, 1, 2, 3, tap 4, V step. 5, 6, 7, again, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that last step is on the left. Now we're going to do what you do, a step dip. We step on the right and dip, then step on the left and dip. Let me show you how that looks from this wall. So the last step was on the left. You just go 1, 2, 3, 4, left, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right? So let's add that. Dip into the right and dip into the left. So we started with our walk back to the right, walk to the right, walk to the left. Don't forget about your 2 V steps on the right, and then dip on the right for 2, and dip on the left for 2. Here we go. 5, 6, walk it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, right, 5, 6, 7, tap 8, left, 1, 2, 3, 4, V step. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, dip, 5, 6, 7, 8, dip, 1, 2, 3, 4. My right heel is up. I'm going to slide here, slide up, 5, 6, turn, 7, 8. And that's how I get to my next wall. You dip right and dip left. So I dipped on the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, left, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, just step forward to this wall, 1, 2, and to your left, 3, 4. We're making a quarter turn to your left. Okay, and that's how you get to your next wall. You're just sliding up to the wall that you started and then making that quarter turn to your left. 5, 6, turn 7, 8. So you're turning on 7, 8 to your left, quarter turn to the left. To the wall to your left, making counterclockwise. So this is your new wall right here. So let's put it together and go to the next wall. Okay, walking back, 5, 6, 5, 6, walk it back. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. 5, 6, 7, tap, 8, left, 1, 2, 3, tap, 4, V-step, 5, 6, 7, again. 1, 2, 3, 4, dip, 5, 6, 7, 8, left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. From here, my right heel is up, and I'm going to start again walking back. So let's do that. 5, 6, 7, walk it back. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. 5, 6, 7, tap, 8, left, 1, 2, 3, 4, V-step, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, dip, 5, 6, 7, 8, left, 1, 2, 3, 4, slide, 5, 6, up, 7, 8. Also, the V-step, both of those V-steps are going to be on the right, okay? Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Let's do it one more time. As you see, the dance is moving counterclockwise. Four wall dance, okay? So when you make your first turn, you automatically know that your next wall will be to your left, okay? To your left. All right? So here we go, walking it back. 5, 6, 7, walk it back. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. 5, 6, 7, 8, left, 1, 2, 3, 4, right, 5, 6, 7, 8, right, 1, 2, 3, 4, dip, 5, 6, 7, 8, left, 1, 2, 3, 4, right, 5, 6, turn 7, and 8. All right? Now, let's do it again. I know you're looking back at the camera, but I don't want you to look at me. Okay, I want you to do the steps on your own without looking at me, okay? So I'm going to count for you, and then you're going to do the steps on your own. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're back at this wall. We're going to do it again. This is called the second rotation. That meant we visit every wall. Now we're back to the front. Okay, and it's the second rotation. So did you get it? Did you get the steps without looking at me? Okay, always once your instructor teaches you the dance, always rely on yourself. Count to yourself and do the steps yourself. And let me give you a pointer. Whenever I'm dancing, I'm always thinking about the next step, okay? So say for instance, if I'm walking back, 1, 2. Oh, right here at 2, I'm automatically thinking about the next step I need to do. 3, 4. So when I finish, 1, 2, 3, 4 on 2. When I went 1, 2, I already knew I need to start walking to the right. 3, 4. When I go to the right, I'm already thinking about the next step. I'm going to the left. When I go to the left, I'm already thinking about the 2 V steps I need to do. While I'm doing that, what I'm thinking about? The dip. The dip on the right, dip on the left. Now right here, I'm already thinking about how I'm going to turn. Up and back. Okay? So think ahead. Almost like when you're thinking, think about the GPS in your car or on your telephone. If you go into a place that you're not familiar with, what you want? You want that GPS to tell you where to turn before you get there, right? Okay, because you feel comfortable and you can prepare yourself. Just in case you have to change lanes or whatever, you don't want to know the last minute. So that's the way you have to think when you think about line dancing. You're already thinking about the next step. That way you're preparing your footwork, okay? So if you got to turn, you have to prepare your footwork to do a turn. Okay? So think about line dancing in that phase where you're thinking about the next step. So as you're doing one step, you got that. Think about the next step, okay? All right, let me know if that was helpful for you. Okay, my lunchtime shenanigans. I hope y'all enjoy this line dance for beginners, instructors. This is perfect for a cool down, okay? It's nice and smooth. The name of the line dance again is Enjoy, and I enjoy you watching this video. Thank you. Make sure you share this video. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.